kailan na din mo kung sa ang photosynthesis. Kung wala pa, paminawa ko, og sabta ko, sama sa pagkakang ko sa imo. So, karon at ako i-explain kung unsa ang photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy stored in glucose using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. O guwapa pag ninyo kung wala pa gid ninyo nasabtan ang photosynthesis, utro na ko ha. Sabtan basta matingala ka. Magkita. So, this process is essential for the survival of plants and other organisms that depend on them for food. So, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from soil, and sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. So, that's more. Mudagas ako, kay mag-drive akong motor. Karon, kailan ba mo unsay transpiration? Wala. So, siyempre, ato na-explain kung unsa ang transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plants release water vapor through their leaves, helping with nutrients uptake and temperature regulations. So, karon, toron, nakabalo na mo, kalbo, kung unsa ang photosynthesis o transpiration. Because, you're my inspiration.
Sorry.